So let's see how to copy files now using on Commander Pro File Manager. So here I'm using the tutorial in this case to show you how to do it. So you need to have like two directory panels next to each other. If it's not the case, you can either add a new directory panel and then select on the right to add a new directory panel next to the one you're currently using. Or otherwise you can also, if I use F9 and search for presets, then I can one of the presets is dual table, so it will add a dual table in a new tab in this case, but here I already have it, so I don't need to. So first we'll go to the copy2 directory, and you see I've already some files over there. In the first panel, I will need to select this file, so the copy file 2, or let's start with first this one, the copy file, and click on the copy file button that is between the two panels. So here you see you have some button between both panels, and one of them is a copy file. So if I go over there, you see that another file is arriving in the new directory. I can also do it if I select copy file 2, then I can also use the copy file button, or that's also the F5 button. Then it will ask me for a directory, and by default it just chooses the directory of the panel next to it. So here I'm already in the correct directory. If I can select it, then the file is also copied. So in the first panel, so now we'll just select 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's again select, so actually 0, but let's select all the files here and click on the copy file button to the next panel, and now you see it kind of have some conflicts because the file already exists in the destination. So, and instead of having to wait, in this case it just at the beginning of the operation show you the conflicts that you can also resolve. So I've said, so I can also already do hide the same files. So you see that because 1 and 2 have already been copied, so that were exactly the same file with the same date. So it's not I can hide the same files. So it will skip them, and then I can, for example, for file 3 I can say replace, so I will replace it with a new file. For the file 4 I can click on rename, so that's the rename button, and it will give me a new name for it. And for the file 5 it's already on skip, but I can choose to skip the file. So here I have one that's going to be replaced, one that's going to be renamed, and then one's going to be skipped. So let's go for it. And now you see that well, this one has been replaced, sorry, this one, then this one renamed, and this one has been skipped. So that's it. Now we also do the same thing, but for move to, that is also very similar. The first panel, then I can select the move to file, and then click on the move. So here just click on the move files, and it's instead of copying, it's just moving the file. Can use move file 2, and the same thing as for move for copy. There's also a button, and in this case it's a F6 or move files, same thing. It will select the directory of the panel next to it by default. If I click OK, it's also moved. Okay, that's it for copying and moving files with On Commander Pro File Manager. Here is the URL if you want to use it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, just put the thumb up and share this video. Bye.